In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money, cash funds from RCBC to GCash. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to enter, and how to make sure your transfer goes through smoothly the first time. Start by opening the GCash app on your mobile device. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet network and that your app is updated, as this helps prevent delays or failed attempts. Once you're on the GCash home screen, look for the transfer option and tap it. This is where you initiate moving funds using the supported banking network inside GCash. On the next screen, tap the local section. This shows you a list of banks available for transfers within the Philippines. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Tap the search bar and type RCBC. This makes it faster to find the bank you need instead of scrolling through the entire list. When RCBC appears in the results, tap it to open the transfer form. You'll now enter the key details for your transaction. Start with the amount you want to move. Enter the exact amount and take a second to confirm it's correct. Next, enter the account name and the account number. Type the name exactly as it appears on the bank account to avoid any mismatches, and carefully input the account number to prevent sending to the wrong account. Small typos can cause issues, so it's worth a quick double check before proceeding. With the amount, account name, and account number filled in, you're ready to send. Tap Send to initiate the transfer. Depending on your settings and the network, you may see a brief loading indicator while the request is processed. Keep the app open and avoid switching away until it completes. Once the transfer is sent, you'll typically see a reference number or a confirmation message. It's a good habit to take a screenshot or save that reference for your records. If you're expecting the funds to reflect quickly, remember that processing times can vary based on network traffic and the bank's systems. Most transfers are near instant, but occasional delays can happen. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Ensure your balance and any applicable fees are covered before you send. Confirm the recipient details one more time to prevent errors. And if anything looks off, cancel and recheck, rather than pushing through. That's it. You've opened GCash, tapped transfer, selected local, searched for RCBC, entered the amount, account name and number, and tapped send. Follow these steps carefully and your funds should move without a hitch. Thanks for watching and happy transferring.